Yes, the Philippines. A tropical paradise with friendly people, affordable living. No wonder so many foreigners are packing up and flying out there to start a new life. But hold up, is it all really all sunshine and mango shakes? Today, we're diving deep into the real struggles that foreigners and expats face when living in or visiting the Philippines. And trust me, it's not all smooth sailing. One of the first challenges is culture shock. From how people communicate to what's considered polite or rude, it's a different world. Filipinos are generally non confrontational people. So if someone smiles but doesn't give a yes or a no, you might think you're being understood, but you're not.
Wait, so when she said maybe, that actually meant no?
Exactly. So don't expect brutal honesty. It's all about saving face here.
Wait, it was 30 pesos yesterday? Oh, 30 pesos kanina. Today, holiday, sir.
Unfortunately, if you look and sound foreign, you're an easy target. Taxi overcharging, special prices in markets, or tour packages with hidden fees. It happens. Always agree on prices beforehand, or better yet, use a grab or ride with a local.
I've been here 5 hours just to renew my visa.
This isn't a complaint, just a heads up. Patience isn't just a virtue here, it's a requirement. It's not like back home where you're from. Let's say if you're from the States in USA, everything we're so used to having it right now, have everything done right away, fast transactions, fast service, customer service, all that. Everything we do is usually rather very quick, and the expectations are usually there to that we have everything done for us fast and conveniently. Here, everything's a little bit behind. Technology may be behind, databases, hospital checks. When you go to the hospital, you may be waiting in longer lines. And transactions, not everywhere is going to have a cash machine or ATM card access. So you're doing everything by hand, by cash, which means longer lines, longer waits. But instead of complaining about it, just remember you're not in your country anymore. This country may be a little behind, and they have their own procedures to how they do things, which may take some time. So know that the process is going to be long. Be willing to take the time out of your day to get there early and be prepared to hurry up and wait, as we would say in the military, so you can get your things taken care of and done. In a nutshell, what I'm saying that if you're coming from the West, get ready to slow down. The internet, unpredictable, government offices, bring a book or three. Now let's talk about love. Many expats fall for Filipinas, and many stories are told, many beautiful ones, in fact, but there are also others a little more complicated. Not all relationships are scams, but some women do see foreigners as walking ATMs, and even genuine relationships can bring a family drama, jealousy, or expectations you're not ready for. Marrying a Filipina can mean marrying the whole family. If you have serious health conditions, you need a plan. Quality medical care exists in cities, but rural areas, not so much. And don't expect universal health care. If you don't have insurance, a simple accident could wipe out your savings. Many foreigners get confused by visa rules. Overstaying can lead to fines or worse, like deportation. Some try to stay on perpetual tourist visas, but immigration is tightening their rules. If you're planning on long term stays, make sure your paperwork is straight. Let's be real. A foreign guy with a young, single, attractive, gorgeous Filipina is going to bring some attention. Sometimes admiration, sometimes envy is what you're going to attract. You might be seen as a sugar daddy, even if your relationship is legit. Expect whispers, stares, and assumptions. Life here can feel like a vacation at first, but after the thrill fades, many foreigners miss the food, culture, or family back home. Some get bored, others feel isolated, especially if they don't make friends or integrate. Some expats blow through their savings thinking everything is cheap here, but costs can pile up. Rent, bills, nightlife, emergencies. Without a budget or a source of income, some foreigners end up broke, stranded, or dependent on others. The Philippines is a beautiful country with incredible people, but like anywhere else, it has challenges. The key is be respectful, stay humble, and do your research and adapt. If you come here with the right mindset, the rewards can be life changing. Have you been to the Philippines before? What challenges did you face? Drop a comment and share your story below. Thanks for stopping by. This is Passport Nomad saying, have a nice day.